Hey guys, I'm giving you all a tour of my new home. I have relocated to Charleston, South Carolina. It is going to be a great business venture. I am so excited to see everything and show you guys. One moment. All right guys, so here we go. Have a nice view. Here's my door. My door, guys. So as soon as you walk in, they have a bathroom. I've already put some tissue in here because we had to break in the bathroom, y'all. You had to break the bathroom. Across is a laundry room that I love. Ada, say hey to everyone. Guys, make sure y'all follow Ada the Bully on Instagram. I will have the link below. Here's my daughter's room, y'all. She has a beautiful view as well. Here's her closet. A humongous walk-in closet, y'all. Love, say hey to everyone. You guys can follow her YouTube page at Adventures with Love. I will have her name at the bottom as well. Here is this beautiful kitchen that I love so much. Humongous pantry, y'all. Look at all of these things. Like, I'm so excited for my fridge. I definitely needed a bigger freezer and fridge and all. Guys, all this area here. Here is the master bedroom. Check out my walk-in closet, y'all. What in the world? I'm so excited about that. My bathroom. Me and my husband have a his and her sink, which I'm very excited about that as well. Hot tub. Extremely hot tub. Yes. Y'all. And look at my view here that I have. Extra area. This is probably gonna be like my area where I set up and do my YouTube videos and all. There is a playground out here as well, which is very exciting because my daughter loves to go out and play. And then we have this huge balcony. And what do you see out there? Playground. Okay, guys. So that pretty much is it. I just wanted to show y'all my new home where I've relocated to. Get this business popping. If you guys know anyone that needs remodeling, any type of home improvement services at all, feel free to reach out to me. Contact me. The name of our business is Kalute Pro Services. That will be in the description as well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of my new home. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you guys comment. Let me know what you think of the new place. Tell everyone bye, love.
Bye.
Say make sure you follow my channel. Say subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe my channel.
Yeah, Ada. Tell everyone make sure that they subscribe to your Instagram page. Y'all, like I said, those page names, channel subscriptions, everything will be in the description. So make sure you guys support us. Subscribe, comment, like, share, everything. Love you guys. Bye.